Did you know? The U.S. is actively hiring foreign occupational therapists, with salaries up to $110,000 for those ready to start their American journey. Occupational therapy is one of the fastest-growing professions in the USA, creating a huge opportunity for qualified therapists from abroad. First, gather your degree and transcripts. Credential evaluation is required to compare your education to U.S. standards. Submit academic transcripts and proof of license or registration for credential verification. Make sure all documents are official and in English. Approved credential evaluation agencies include World Education Services, WES, and FCCPT. Always check which agency your state licensing board accepts. Once your credentials are accepted, you'll get a report stating your education is equivalent to a U.S. occupational therapy degree. The next step is the NBCOT exam. This is a national certification required for all aspiring occupational therapists in the United States. Register online, prepare thoroughly, and schedule the NBCOT exam at an approved U.S. or international test center. Once you pass the NBCOT exam, you become eligible to apply for an occupational therapist license in your chosen U.S. state. Each state has its own OT board and specific licensing requirements. Research your preferred state's process before applying. Typical licensing requirements include background checks, professional references, completed application forms, and paying state fees. With state licensure underway, start your U.S. job search. Many hospitals and rehab centers actively sponsor foreign-trained OTs. Most foreign OTs secure positions through H-1B, EB-2, or TN visas. Your employer often helps with sponsorship paperwork. Once visa approval is in hand, you're ready to start practicing in the U.S., joining one of the fastest-growing rehabilitation fields. Your dream of working as an occupational therapist in the U.S. is within reach. Start your journey with confidence and determination.